So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view message request on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your TikTok account, and you should have to tap on inbox icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now you will see the option of message, so scroll down below and you will see the option of message request, so tap on it, and from here you can view your message request like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.